This tutorial shows you how to perform elementary modes analysis. For the first example, we use the small example network shown here. There are two options for calculating elementary modes. The first requires CellNet Analyzer and can also be used for elementary flux vectors. The second launches EFM tool directly and will be used here. After the computation is finished, a navigation panel appears with which you can browse through the modes. In addition, you can select a subset of modes, for example those that contain reaction R1. You can save the modes here and remove them with this clear button. For the second example, we use a larger network, ECC2Comp. Because the number of elementary modes can quickly explode with the number of reactions, we load a scenario that disables several of them. This scenario is called glucose anaerob EFM. During computation, you can watch the EFM tool progress and abort if it takes too long. After the actual enumeration of modes is finished, they still need to be converted to flux vectors, and are then written into a file, which can take a while. The navigation panel also lets you compute two statistics. First of all, look at the pathway lengths of the modes by clicking on Size Histogram. You can see that there are two groups of modes. With reaction participation, you can see the relative abundance with which reactions occur in the selected modes. We now select modes without biomass growth. If you now look at the pathway length histogram, you can see that the modes with the longer pathway lengths are gone. This concludes the tutorial. For further information, you can also look at the manual or contact us if you have questions.